This is a wild colony. I filmed these guys months ago killing a caterpillar, so I named these guys the caterpillar colony. I have given them canary seeds, the actual canary seeds. So they're going to gather it, and I also gave them nectar. I have rocks all around their entrance, and I poured nectar right on the rocks, and they have all come out, or lots of them have come out. It's a very warm day right now. It is about 4 in the afternoon, and it is about 98 degrees, and it's probably going to peak at around 5, 6 o'clock. So 99 to 100 degrees will be the warmest it's going to get. These guys aren't slowing down. They're going to go inside when it gets cold at night, because at night it can get as cold as the low 40s. So they're going to hole up. But in the daytime, it's still getting into the 90s. So when it's warm, they're out and about. Now there's more and more of them coming out. They're actually more interested in the nectar. There's only like a couple of ants actually gathering seeds. They're going to drink up the nectar, and then when that's all evaporated and dried up, they're going to switch over and start bringing the seeds in. But yes, harvester ants do like nectar. They love their nectar. So this is the caterpillar colony, because I originally filmed them killing a caterpillar. Right now they are drinking nectar, and will eventually gather the seeds. Those are canary seeds, the real canary seeds. Not the canary seeds for canary birds, but the actual seeds called canary.